the place where futuristic vehicles meet detailed storytelling. Today we are diving into one of the most jaw-dropping luxury motorhomes ever imagined, the 2026 Star Milk River Motorhome Villa. This is not just a motorhome, it is a moving villa designed for people who want absolute comfort, privacy, and next-level luxury while traveling across cities, deserts, mountains, or coastlines. If you have ever dreamed of living in a 5-star villa on wheels, this concept is about as close as it gets. The first impression of the 2026 Star Milk River Motorhome Villa is pure elegance mixed with futuristic confidence. The exterior design looks bold, wide, and powerful, with smooth aerodynamic lines that reduce drag while giving it a premium presence on the road. The front fascia features a massive panoramic windshield that blends seamlessly into the roofline, offering an open view of the road and surroundings. LED lighting wraps around the body, not just for style but also for enhanced night visibility. The paint finish looks deep and glossy, designed to reflect sunlight in a soft, luxury tone rather than harsh glare. As you step inside, the transformation from road vehicle to luxury villa becomes instantly clear. The interior space is designed with an open-plan concept, making it feel far larger than a traditional motorhome. High ceilings combined with panoramic glass panels create a bright and airy environment. Natural light flows in from all angles, making the living area feel more like a modern apartment than a vehicle. The flooring uses premium materials that look like polished wood or stone, while still being lightweight and durable for long journeys. The main living lounge is where comfort truly shines. Plush sofas with deep cushioning are arranged in a smart layout that allows both relaxation and social interaction. These sofas can easily convert into additional sleeping areas if needed, without compromising comfort. A smart entertainment system dominates one wall, featuring a large Ultra HD screen with surround sound speakers integrated discreetly into the ceiling and walls. Whether you are watching movies, gaming, or enjoying music, the experience feels cinematic. Moving further inside, the kitchen area of the Star Milk River Motorhome Villa is nothing short of impressive. This is a full luxury kitchen, not a compact travel setup. It includes a modern induction cooktop, a built-in oven, a microwave, and a full-size refrigerator. Storage cabinets are soft close and intelligently placed to maximize space without clutter. The countertops look like premium marble or quartz, adding to the villa-like feel. There is also a stylish dining area where you can comfortably enjoy meals while watching scenic views through wide windows. One of the biggest highlights of this motorhome is its bedroom suite. This is not a basic sleeping corner, but a true master bedroom on wheels. A king-size bed sits at the center, surrounded by ambient lighting that can be customized for mood and comfort. Large wardrobes provide ample storage for long journeys, while integrated smart controls allow you to adjust lighting, temperature, and privacy settings without leaving the bed. The bedroom also features its own panoramic windows, allowing you to wake up to breathtaking landscapes wherever you park. The bathroom setup in the 2026 Star Milk River Motorhome Villa feels like a luxury hotel spa. It includes a spacious walk-in shower with rainfall functionality, premium fittings, and elegant finishes. There is a modern vanity with illuminated mirrors and plenty of storage for toiletries. Some concept designs even suggest a separate toilet area for added convenience and hygiene. Every detail is designed to make you forget that you are inside a vehicle. Space management is one of the strongest aspects of this motorhome. Expandable sections and slide-out panels increase the interior width when parked, transforming the motorhome into a true villa. Smart storage compartments are hidden beneath floors, seating areas, and walls, ensuring that everything has its place without making the interior feel crowded. This makes long-term travel or even full-time living completely practical. Technology plays a major role in enhancing the experience. The Star Milk River Motorhome Villa is expected to feature a fully integrated smart control system. From a central touchscreen or even a mobile app, you can control lighting, climate, entertainment, security, and energy usage. Solar panels on the roof help generate clean energy, while advanced battery systems ensure power availability even in remote locations. Climate control systems maintain a comfortable interior temperature in both extreme heat and cold. Driving and safety features are equally impressive. Despite its size, this motorhome is designed to be smooth and stable on the road. Advanced driver assistance systems help with lane control, adaptive cruise, parking assistance, and blind spot monitoring. The driver cabin feels modern and ergonomic, with digital displays providing real-time information about navigation, vehicle health, and energy consumption. In terms of lifestyle, the 2026 Star Milk River Motorhome Villa represents freedom at its finest. It allows you to travel without giving up comfort, style, or privacy. Whether you are a luxury traveler, a digital nomad, or someone who simply loves exploring the world in comfort, this motorhome sets a new benchmark for what is possible on wheels.